Welcome to my channel Sparkles. Hello gorgeous. Want frizz-free, shiny, and hydrated hair that lasts up to 72 hours? Meet the Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit. Shampoo, conditioner, and bonding oil that cleanses, nourishes, and protects every strand. Let's dive into the magic. Let's get started. Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit. Elevate your hair care routine with the Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit, a professional-grade system designed for all hair types. Trusted by stylists worldwide, this trio of hair bestsellers works together to cleanse, hydrate, strengthen, and protect your hair from daily damage. Whether your hair is dry, color-treated, chemically processed, or naturally textured, this kit is formulated to leave strands shining with strength, smoothness, and resilience. The N²4 Bond Maintenance shampoo gently cleanses the hair while repairing broken bonds caused by chemical treatments, heat styling, and environmental stressors. It strengthens hair from root to tip, reducing breakage and preparing the strands for optimal hydration and nourishment. Following the shampoo, the N²5 Bond Maintenance conditioner delivers deep moisture, detangles effortlessly, and restores softness to the hair. Together, these two steps form the foundation for healthier, stronger, and more manageable hair. The finishing touch, N²7 Bonding Oil, is a lightweight yet potent treatment that provides instant shine and heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Apply to wet or dry hair before styling to protect strands from heat damage, or use afterward to smooth frizz and add a glossy, salon-fresh finish. The bonding oil also helps repair existing damage, ensuring your hair remains resilient, soft, and luminous. Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit is perfect for anyone looking to achieve professional-level results at home. This trio reduces breakage, strengthens strands, tames frizz for up to 72 hours, and leaves hair feeling hydrated and silky smooth. Each product is formulated to work synergistically, creating a simple yet effective routine for gorgeous, healthy hair. Benefits: reduces hair breakage and strengthens strands. Olaplex's patented bond-building technology restores hair structure from the inside out, leaving hair stronger and more resilient. Hydrates and nourishes. N²5 conditioner deeply moisturizes, smooths rough textures, and prevents tangling, making hair soft and manageable. Smooths and controls frizz. The trio works to tame unruly strands, keeping hair frizz-free for up to 72 hours. Instant shine and heat protection. N²7 Bonding Oil boosts natural shine while safeguarding hair from styling heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit per 232 degrees Celsius. Suitable for all hair types. From fine to thick, straight to curly, and natural to color-treated, this kit adapts to every hair type, making it an essential addition to any hair care routine. Stylist-trusted formulas. Used and recommended by professionals to maintain healthy, vibrant hair, even with frequent styling or coloring. Suggested use: cleanse, apply N²4 Bond Maintenance shampoo to wet hair, lather and rinse thoroughly. Hydrate, follow with N²5 Bond Maintenance conditioner, massage through hair, leave for a few minutes, then rinse. Protect and shine, before and or after styling. Apply N²7 Bonding Oil to wet or dry hair. Focus on mid-lengths to ends for smoothness, shine, and heat protection. Stylist desired. With consistent use, this simple 3-step routine improves hair health, restores strength, and enhances shine, leaving hair looking and feeling silky, vibrant, and full of life. Why choose Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit? The Olaplex system is designed for anyone who wants salon-quality results at home. Combining bond-building technology, deep hydration, and lightweight shine-enhancing oil, this kit addresses all major hair concerns: breakage, dryness, frizz, and damage from heat or chemical treatments. With Olaplex, you don't just wash or style your hair. You repair, protect, and transform it, revealing healthier, stronger, and more radiant strands every day. Invest in the Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit and experience a hair care routine that leaves your hair looking as vibrant and stunning as you feel. To buy this product, go to check links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.